Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Mozam Ali and you are watching Rubik's Master. Today video is very interesting in which I gonna tell you that how we take this solved Rubik cube and change it into a beautiful new pattern which looks pretty good as shown in the video. You can see here how beautiful it looks, and you can make it in just 18 simple steps. Just follow my steps one by one without skipping the video. Let's get started with the name of Allah. Okay, first of all you have to hold cube like this. That the yellow side should come in the front like this and the blue side should come upward like this. Now you have to apply this simple algorithm. R F2 B2 L2 U2 D2 L F dash R2 F2 U2 D2 F2 L2 B dash R2 L2 B2. You can see this cube is ready now and how much beautiful it look, as similar to that I show you earlier. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new from this video. If you liked the video, smash the like button. You also share your valuable feedbacks in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Khuda Hafiz.